I'm Mandy, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I want to show you the dusting mitt. This is one of our favorite tools, and most of the time we use it dry. It has that amazing Norwex Microfiber that's at least 1/200th the size of a human hair. Also has the back lock, so it is going to self-sanitize when it is used wet. I love to use it wet for screens, windows screens, but most of the time we use it dry to remove our household dust, which is really great to get rid of. So you can see here I have dust. This is my real house and real live dust. So we just use it dry and it picks up the dust rather than poofing it up into the air and letting it settle back down where you feel like a failure as a housekeeper. Picks it up, and it also lays down an electrostatic charge on the surface, so I find that my surfaces stay clean longer. And I am not leaving a residue behind that's just going to collect dust. I actually have removed it. I go outside and bang it on the house or a rail or against my other hand. Or we use two, typically when we're dusting, we have two hands, and so then we have four clean sides, and so we'll bang the two mitts against themselves outside. Or I use the rubber brush and I can get the dirt and debris off right into the trash, just swipe it off. And the great thing about it is we then come back in and continue to dust. Dust your car, dust your house, dust your RV, your office, whatever. It is amazing, and it is easy to wash. You're just going to throw it in the wash machine with a good laundry detergent that doesn't have a bunch of fillers and dyes in it, and put it in the dryer. It's going to help the static get going, so it's going to be able to pick up the dust and debris on your surfaces. And also then just remember, never any fabric softener or dryer sheets, and you're going to be good to go. You're going to love it. On cue, there's time.